Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect Supabase to Base44. First open Base44 in your browser. When the dashboard loads, look toward the top of the screen and find the button called Integrations. Click on it. You will now see a page with different sections. Go to the area called My Integration and scroll down until you find the button that says Create Integration. Click on it. A new page will open. Here you will see several fields such as the name of the integration and other basic details. You can fill these in if you want, or you can leave them as they are for now. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Continue to Integration. Now the system will ask for your Supabase project URL and your API key. To find these, open your Supabase dashboard in a new tab. Inside Project Settings, look for the section called Data API. In this section, you will see your project URL. Copy the project URL and return to Base44. Paste it into the field provided. Go back to Supabase again and stay inside the project settings. This time, look for the section called API Keys. In this section, find the key labeled Service Role Secret. Copy this key. Return to Base44 and paste it into the API key field. Next, Base44 will ask you to enter an integration prompt. Type any prompt that matches your workflow or simply add a short description about what this integration will do. After you enter the prompt, click Continue. Now your integration details are saved, but there is one more important step. In Base44, go to the App section. Then, open App Settings. Look for the option to enable backend functions. Turn this option on. To do this, you will need an upgraded plan, so make sure your account allows backend functions from the settings page. Once you enable backend functions, your Supabase account will now be connected to Base44. Thanks for watching.